So if you like to try your luck at the slots, maybe try your hand at the cards, maybe throw a little bit of craps dice, well, cruise ships are going to be able to help you out with that because the majority of cruise ships have a casino on board. However, there are a couple things need to know about cruise ship casinos and how they differ from land-based casinos, and we're going to get into that right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. We are on day 6. 6 more days till we are getting on our cruise ship. Just 6 more days, and 4 more days till we actually head to the cruise port. We're actually going to spend 2 days at the cruise port prior to sailing, so it's even closer, but it is still actually 6 days before we get on the cruise ship. And today's cruise tip is going to be cruise ship casinos are not the same as land-based casinos. So yes, they have all of the slot machines, they have the card games, they have roulette, they have all of the normal casino gambling items that you would expect to find in, let's say, Las Vegas. But there is a slight difference. Cruise ship casinos are not bound by any U.S. law, any gaming laws that we have here in the United States. If you've ever been on a cruise before, or if you've never been on a cruise, you will notice that the casino is not open when a cruise ship is in port. The only time a casino will be open is while you are out in international waters, and that is so the casino itself is not regulated by any country or port that it is in. Now, yes, don't get me wrong. I do partake in the casino myself. Lots of people do. There are people that go in the casinos and win. So all of that is completely possible and completely normal. The really big difference is on cruise ship, the odds really are in the house's favor. The difference in regulation of how cruise ship casinos are regulated, like I said, is different than in how they are regulated here on land. And the odds are greatly more in their favor than they are in yours. So that is just something to remember. That is not to discourage anybody from going to the casino. Definitely you do you, and you have all the fun you like to have. Me personally, I like the slot tournaments. I like to pay my $20, participate in the tournament once or twice, depending on how many times they have it during the cruise. And usually that's about all I will do. But there are people who gamble all of the time while on the cruise ship. And of course, if you enjoy it and you are happy, hopefully you are winning, definitely you do you. Just know that cruise ship casinos are different when it comes to regulations, when it comes to land-based casinos. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip. If you have, do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up, have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.